Welcome back, students. Welcome back. So we are continuing with the sample paper solving series. So today also we will be continuing with the same what we have done in the previous class. We are continuing with the same. So we have a lot of important questions selected from the previous question papers of SSC CGLE examination, combined graduate level examination. Then some of the questions from IBPS, PO and clerical examination. So this is series number 17. We will be continuing with some of the most important questions selected from previous question papers. Okay, so if I just want to tell you, if you are new to this channel, I request all of you to kindly subscribe for this channel so that whenever I upload new videos, regularly we are uploading new videos and you will be getting the important questions for your all competitive examinations. And still I'm telling you, since the last many classes I am telling, if any one of you are preparing for any particular exam, then you can comment in the comment box, you can write it, and we will be uploading videos based on those questions and those examinations also. So we are mainly focusing on quantitative aptitude for all competitive examinations. We are focusing on reasoning questions selected from previous year question papers, and we are focusing on English communication based on the previous questions and all competitive examinations. So before going to the questions, dear friends, it is your support that we are continuing. Without your support, it is not possible for me to upload videos and help you. So I request you once again, if you are new to my channel, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe for this channel and don't forget to press the bell button so that all notifications will come to you on time. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, let us go to the questions and let us solve some of the important questions selected from previous question papers. So understand the concept of each question, and then if you are having a mathematics background, it will be easy for you. If you are a person who don't have a mathematics background, then no problem, understand the concept, and if you are not clear how to solve these things, then comment in the comment box. I will be seeing all the comments personally and I will reply to each and every one of you. And one more thing I want to tell you, all the formula or the basic speed calculation techniques or shortcut methods we have already explained in the previous videos. So kindly watch all the videos, and playlist is also given. So you can watch all the previous videos and that will definitely help you to increase your speed when you apply for your competitive examinations. Okay, so let us go to the first question. So the first question is here. If x, y, z, x plus y plus z equal to 6 and x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 20, then find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Four options are also given to you. So now we can solve these type of questions very easily if you understand the steps used here. See, don't worry about what is given in the question. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. Okay, we have one information. X square plus y square plus z square equal to 20. The other information we have given in the questions. We need to find out x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So here I just want to tell you one thing. These all are formula based questions. What is this? This is formula based questions. Okay, so when we have formula based questions, it is very easy to solve. I will explain the complete step here, but you need not to write everything when you prepare for your competitive examination. Once you understand what is the concept used in this type of questions, apply the formula directly and find out the answer. So let us say what is given here. Here it is given x plus y plus z equal to 6. Let me write that first. We have x plus y plus z equal to 6. Don't write all these things when you sit in your exam hall. That will consume a lot of time. I am explaining it full step to make you understand the concept how such questions are solved. X plus y plus z equal to 6, what is given, and we also got x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 20. So these all are the two information given in the question, right? Now we have a formula. If you don't know this formula, please note this formula. We have a formula x plus y plus z all square. X plus y plus z all square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. This is one of the very important formula we studied in our small classes, 8th standard, 9th standard. We have studied this formula, but we have forgotten. Don't worry. Now we are using it. So you can note this formula. This is very, very important. X plus y plus z square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Why we are using this formula? Why? Because from this formula only you can find out this part. What is to be solved in the question. So x plus y plus z is given to you 6. So x plus y plus z square will be 6 square, that is 36, is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is given to you 20. So this part will become 20 plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Now if I take this 20 both the side, when I cancel, I will get 36 minus 20, I'll get 16. Now if I cancel 2 and 16 both the times, here I will get 2 8 times, here this 2 1 time. So now what I got 8 is equal to xy plus yz plus zx. So let us keep it here. Now this step you can directly use when you solve the questions in your exam hall. Don't write the formula, don't write what is given in and all, directly write this. I am just explaining it in detail. Now let us find out what we need to find out. Here we need to find out this. For example, we need to find out x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is equal to, we have another formula, x plus y plus z into x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy plus yz plus zx. Never write the formula when you solve it in your exam. Just remember this. This part is what we need to find out. Put the values and just write the answer. What is the values? X plus y plus z will be 6. Then into x square plus y square plus z square will be 20 minus x plus xy yz zx, we got 8. So 20 minus 8 is equal to 12. 12 multiplied by 6, which is equal to 72. So 72 is the answer. Now let us go to the options given and see whether 72 is there or not. Yes, we got 72. C is the correct answer. So you understand 72 is the correct answer given from the given options. Now let me tell you the shortcut method. Shortcut method is, don't write this step. Don't write what is given in the question. Remember this formula and find out this directly. So this is your first step. And then we know the second formula, which is what is to be find out. Remember this value which is given in the question, and what we got here 8, put it here. So this is 6, this is 20, this is 8, so we got 72. Put just the values, Mendel calculation, 20 minus 8, 12, 12 into 6, 72. Simple Mendel calculations and find the answer within seconds. Hope you understood this. If you are not clear, kindly pause the video and watch again. Still, if you have any problem, please let me know. Put it in the comment box. I will definitely help you. Now let us go to the next question. In a triangle ABC, the side BC is extended up to D such that CD is equal to AC. If angle BAD equal to 109 degree, and angle ACB equal to 72 degree, then the value of angle ABC is. All these questions are taken from previous question papers. So please give importance to this for CGLE examination part tier 2. These type of questions are very, very important. So what is given? We have a triangle ABC. So let us draw a rough diagram. We have a triangle ABC. We have a triangle ABC. Okay. And now what is given? The side BC is extended up to D. BC let us extend up to D. Let this point is equal to D, such that CD equal to AC. CD, this part is equal to AC. Now let us say this also, let us join. These two sides are equal. Now angle BAD, this full angle is given to us, which is equal to 109 degree, and ACB, this angle is given to us 72 degree. Then what is the value of angle ABC? This angle we need to find out. What will be this angle? So we know in total ABD, ACD and ABD, the angle will be equal to 180 degree. So here this angle is 180 degree. This full angle is 180. This full angle is 180 degree. Whenever you draw a line, this full angle is 180 degree. Out of this, this much is given to you. This much is given to you 72. So how much will be this part? This part will be 180 minus 72, which is equal to 108. So this angle will be 108. And now we know this angle, this side and this side are equal. So in any triangle, when two sides are equal, then this angle and this angle will be equal. Side opposite to equal, angle opposite to equal side. Angle opposite to equal side. These two sides are equal means these two angles are also equal. That means we know how much will be ACD. ACD we got 108 and AC is equal to CD. That means CAD is equal to CDA. CAD, this angle will be equal to CDA, this angle. That will be equal. These two angles will be equal. So how much it will be? Total angle of a triangle is 180. Out of that, this angle alone is 108. So balance is 72. So this 72 will be equally given here and here. So this will be 36 and this also will be 36. What we want? We want angle ABC. We want angle ABC. This angle we want. Now we have this full angle is equal to 109 plus 36. This angle A, this full angle, 109 plus 36. 109 plus 36, which is equal to 145. This angle we have, this angle is 36 plus 36, and then this angle X, total it should be equal to how much? Total it should be equal to 180. So what will be X? See here, this is total is 145. Total is we are getting 145. So how much B? B will be equal to 180 minus 145. So this is equal to 35 degree. So your answer will be answer A, 35. Hope you understood it. Okay, so X is equal to 36. 145 plus 36 will be equal to 180. So that x will become 36. So let us go to the next question. From a point P, which is at a distance of 13 centimeter from the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter, in the same plane, a pair of tangent PQ and PR are drawn to the circle. Area of the quadrilateral PQOR is what? So this is one of the very important questions based on geometry. So let us solve this question. So here we are talking about a circle. So let us see, this is a circle, and let us say center O, radius is 5 centimeter, and let us see this is R and this is Q, and from a point P which is 13 centimeter away, there's a point P. From this we are drawing tangent, so it will be like this. Now what we need to find out? Area of this quadrilateral PQOR. Area of this part we need to find out. So according to the given question, we have what is angle OQP? Angle OQP, that is OQP, this angle, and angle this equal to angle ORP. Both of them will be equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are tangent. Since tangent will always make 90 degree, these two angles will be equal to 90 degree. It is a pair of tangent. These are the words you have to remember when you solve the questions. PQ and PR are tangents. PQ and PR are tangents. So when we have tangents, tangent will always make 90 degree. Remember that. Tangents will always make 90 degree. Now let us see triangle OQP. OQP, this triangle. What is QP? QP will be equal to under root OP square minus OQ square. That is according to Pythagoras theorem. QP, this is a right angled triangle. So QP is equal to OP square minus OQ square. So OP square is what? 13 square minus 5 square. So here it will be 169 minus 25, 144. Root of 144 will be 12. So you got QP is equal to 12. So this side also will be 12 only. Same way, this is 5, this is 13. So this is also 12 centimeter. Now what we want? We want area of PQOR. Area of PQR is equal to half into 12 into 5, which is equal to area of plus multiplied by 2. Why 2? Area of PQR is equal to area of one triangle. See, this is two triangles. Which are the two triangles here? OQP, triangle OQP plus triangle ORP. Triangle ORP. Total, when you add the area of both the triangle, you will get the area of OPQ or quadrilateral. So one triangle area will be half into base into height. That is half into 12 into 5. How many triangles we have? 2. So we got multiplied by 2. So this will become what? This is equal to 60. So 60 centimeter square is the correct answer for this particular question. So here you can mark the answer 60. Understand very clearly. There are some of the important concepts here I just want to explain. Whenever you have tangents given in the question, the tangent will always make 90 degree angle with the circle. Radius, this is radius and this is tangent. So this angle will be always 90 degree. Area of the circle is given by half into base into height. So half into base into height we have taken half into 12 into 5. This is the area of triangle. But we want area of quadrilateral. So here quadrilateral will be equal to area of two triangles. So that is why we are multiplying by 2. Understand this concept and then solve it. It will be very easy for you. See, these all questions, once you clear the concept, then any number of questions comes to you, easily you can make it. Take time, understand the concept very clearly, then practice with more and more questions. It will be very, very easy for you. Let us go to the next question. So the next question is, the fifth term of the sequence for which t1 is equal to 1, t2 equal to 2 and tn plus 2 equal to tn plus tn minus 1 is. The fifth term of the sequence. We need to find out fifth term. We have t1 is equal to 1. We have t2 is equal to 2. So what is tn plus 2? Tn plus 2 is equal to tn plus tn minus n plus 1. So now we want, what is t3? T3 will be equal to t1 plus 2. T1 plus 2, that is t1 plus 2 is t3. So t1 plus 2, t3 is equal to t1 plus 2. What is t1? T1 is 1. What is t2? T2 is 2. So similarly, when we put all these values, what we will get? What we have given that t1 is equal to 1, t2 is equal to 2. So now t1 we got 1, t2 we got 2. We have t3. T3 is equal to what? This will be given as t1. T3 is equal to t1 plus t2. T3 is equal to T1 plus T2 according to this formula. What is given here? Tn plus 2. Tn plus 2 is equal to Tn plus Tn plus 1. So Tn plus 2, this 3 can be written as n plus 2, 1 plus 2. So n will be 1, n plus 1 will be 2. So T1 plus T2, which is equal to what? T1 we got to 1, T2 we got 2, so total equal to 3. Right. So on put n equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. So we got t n is equal to 2, n plus 2. Then t n plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to t2 plus t2 plus 1. That is t3. So what is t2? T2 is equal to 2. T3 we got 3, which is equal to 5. So we got Tn plus 2 is 2 plus 2, that is equal to T4. But we want what? We want T5, fifth sum. Find the fifth term. Fifth term means T5. T5 will be equal to T3 plus 2, which is equal to T3 plus T3 plus 1. That is T3 plus T4. What is T3? T3 we got 3. And what is T4? T4 we got 5. So what is 3 plus 5? Which is equal to 8. So putting this value, we got fifth term is equal to 8. So correct answer will be answer D, which is 8. So what we need to do is T1 and T2 is given and a formula is given. That is a sequence is given. This is called a sequence. Just put the value of 1, 2 in place of n to find out fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, whichever term is asked in the question, you can find out that directly. Okay, so let us go to the next question. Yeah, this is a very important question. Ronald and Elvin are working on an assignment. Ronald takes 6 hours to type 32 pages. Let us write that. Ronald take 6 hours to type 32 pages on a computer, while Ellen takes 5 hours to type 40 pages. Ellen take 5 hours, 40 pages. how much time they will take working together. If they work together, how much time they will take on two different computers to type an assignment of 110 pages. So how much time they will take together. So now let us see, in 6 hours 32 page. Understand the concept very clearly. In 6 hours 32 page. So Ronald in 1 hour equal to 32 by 6 pages. Similarly, Ellen take 5 hours 42 pages. Sorry, 40 pages. 5 hours 40 pages. So Ellen will take in 1 hour 40 by 5 pages. That is equal to 8. 32 by 6 and 40 by 5 pages. So in 1 hour they complete together in 1 hour. Together in 1 hour 32 by 6 plus 40 by 5, which is equal to how much? So it is in the ratio, you can say how much total pages, 32 by 6 and 40 by 8. 40 by 8 will be equal to what? 8. So 32 by 6 plus 8, which is equal to how much? So you can write cross multiplication here. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 32, 48, 50, 80, 80 by 6, which is equal to 80 by 6. So in 1 hour, 80 by 6 pages. Time taken for 110 pages. Time for 110 pages will be equal to 110 divided by 80 by 6. So which will be equal to 110 into 6 by 8. So approximately it comes around 8 hours 15 minutes. Calculate this and then you will get this answer, 8 hours 50 minutes. So 8 hours 15 minutes is the correct answer. So accordingly you can mark the option C, 8 hours 15 minutes is the correct answer. So this type of questions are based on work and time. Work and time, we have many videos already uploaded in my exam coaching channel. Kindly go through those videos and you will have a clear idea how to solve questions based on work and time. And please watch those videos first and then again come back to this question. It will be very easy for you. Let us go to the next question. So this question is based on interest, again taken from the previous year question papers. The interest on certain money is rupees 22 and the discount on the same sum for the same time and at the same rate is rupees 20. Find the sum. So in this question, we need to find out the sum. What is the total amount of money? Let us take that sum is equal to X. We don't know. So let us take this sum which is equal to X. We don't know how much, what is the total sum, what is the total sum of money. So let us take that unknown quantity as X. Now according to the question, what is given? The interest on certain sum of money is 22 and 22. So that is interest will be given by what? X into R into T. That is X is the total amount. So on total amount multiplied by rate into time divided by 100, which is equal to 22. That is given. Interest formula is what? Interest formula is equal to P R T by 100. P is the total sum, R is the rate of interest, T is the time period, how many years, divided by 100. So that is what we have taken, X into R into T by 100. So here we can write X R T, X into R into T is equal to cross multiplication 2200. Now what is given? Discount on the same sum for the same time. and at the same rate is 20. Discount is 20. So we got what? 22 minus 20 will be equal to 20 into discount into R into T, same rate and same time, divided by 100. So this will give you how much? 22 by 20 is 2. 2 multiplied by this 100 will become 200. 22 minus 20 will be 2. 2 multiplied by this 100 will become 200, which is equal to 20 RT. 20 RT. So when I cut this 20 and this 200, I'll get 10. That means I got RT is equal to 10. Now put it here. We have XRT is equal to 2200. Out of that, RT is what? RT is 10. So X into 10, 10X is equal to 2200. Cut 10 both the side. You got X is equal to 220. So now we got the value of X, which is equal to 220. Accordingly, from the given options, you can mark the correct answer. Answer A is 220. Understand these type of questions are very, very important for you for your CGLE examination and IBPS examination. Very important questions. Concept, let it be very clear and then solve the question. Let the concept be very clear. All these questions are based on formula and concept. What formula we are using here? The formula of interest. I is equal to PRT by 100. Once you are clear with this formula, then you can solve these type of questions. Okay, so let us go for next question. A retailer purchased radio set at the rate of rupees 400 each from a wholesaler. He raised the price by 30% and then allowed a discount of 8%. What will be his profit? So here we need to find out what is the profit. What is the amount? He purchased the radio for rupees 400. So purchase rate, that is cost price. CP is the cost price, that is 400 rupees. Now according to the question, he raised his price 30%. So his market price will be 400 plus 30% of 400. 30% of 400 will be 120. What is 30% of 400? So 30 divided by 100 into 400. Cut this 400, it becomes 30 into 4, 120. So total mark price will be 520 rupees. Now he is giving a discount of 8%. On this 520, he gives a discount of 8%. So what is 8% of 520? 520 into 8 by 100. So you can cut this 0 and this 0. You can cut here 2 4 times, here 2 5 times. Now 52 means 5, it will be 10.4. 10.4 into 4, it becomes around 16, 40 and 41.6. So discount of how much? 41.6. 41.6 rupees. So now what will be selling price? Selling price will be 520 minus 41.6 will be equal to how much? 478.40. Now you see, he purchased an item for 400. He sold it for 478.40. So his profit will be how much? His profit will be 478.40 minus 400, which is equal to 78.40. 78.40 rupees. 78.40 rupees out of 400. So what will be the percentage? percentage will be 78.40 divided by 400 into 100. We want the answer not in rupees. We want the answer in percentage. So when you cut these two zeros and these two zeros and divide 78.4 by 4, you will get 19.6 percentage. This is one of the very important trick. Don't write 78.4 as the answer. 78.4 is the rupees. We want the answer in percentage. So what percentage of 400 is 78.4? We have 19.6 percentage. So accordingly, your answer option D will be the correct answer. Hope you are clear with these type of questions. In the upcoming video, we will be solving series 18 and more and more questions selected from the previous question papers we will be solving in the coming video also. So I request all of you, if you are new to this channel, My Exam Coaching, kindly subscribe and please don't forget to press the bell button so that all the notifications will come to you on time. So more and more questions, more and more important questions will be selected from the previous question papers, and we will meet again in the next video tomorrow with previous year question papers series. And take care. Bye bye.